come back with the another topic. Today I will teach you about the communication barrier and the overcoming method, how to overcome these barriers to make easier communication. So, first I will start with the communication. Communication is a process to transferring information by one person to another person, that is called as a communication. Next is barrier. Barrier is an obstacle that interfere or that prevent us to complete our task in a proper manner, that is called as a barrier. Next we will learn about the communication barrier. Communication barrier is a condition or acting process in which we will not transfer proper information or thoughts or idea to one person to another person, that is called as a communication barrier. So, next we will learn about the types of communication barrier. So, there are mainly 6 types of communication barrier. First one is a physical barrier, second is cultural barrier, third one is language barrier, fourth one is emotional barrier, fifth one is gender barrier, sixth one is organizational barrier. So, one by one we will learn about all the types. First one is a physical barrier. So, what are the factors act like a barrier? So, first one is noise, next distance and time, and other one is environmental problem, physical disabilities, like physical disability like hearing problem, any problem in physique, that are the barrier of physical, like related to physique. Next, how we will overcome with the physical barriers? So, we have a proper environment and comfortable environment. By this we will improve our communication. We will use sign language, use face-to-face contact and use proper language, good confidence. By this we will improve our communication. Next we will learn about the cultural barrier. In cultural barrier there is so many difference in our culture, so many different cultures in our India. So, there is so many problem in communication. Other like generation differences, so many like younger age, older age, this is also hamper our communication. And how we will overcome these cultural differences? We will try to make good relation with the younger age and older age. We have respect other culture also, we have knowledge about other culture. So, by this we will improve our communication in cultural barrier. Next we will learn about the language barrier. In language barrier so many difficulties will come in language barrier because of language problem. In India so many languages are there and every people will speak in other language, and there is a physical deformity in language also, like language disorder like disarticulation, dyslexia. These are the problems by which we will have a problem in the communication. So, how we will overcome by this problem? We have a knowledge about other language also. We will respect other language, we have a good confidence, we will have a comfortable position, comfort with the other people also. When we are talking with other, use more eye contact, we will start from the basics and use simple language by the understanding of the other people. By this we will improve our language and communication. Next is emotional barrier. In emotional barrier, it is very important barrier in the communication that will hamper our communication. How? In emotional barrier like happy mood, sad mood, shyness, cry, and so many things like lack of confidence, insecurity. These are the things or factors that will interfere our communication. So, how we will overcome this emotional barrier? First, we will have a good confidence, good interpersonal relation with other, good confidence, good comfortable environment, and improve our self motivation. By this we will improve our communication. Next is after the emotional barrier, next is our gender barrier. In gender barrier, mainly male and female differences. There is a difference between male and female thinking. By this our communication will not good. So, how we will improve our communication in gender barrier? In gender barrier, mainly we have to improve confidence in talking between male and female. We have to reduce shyness while talking with the male and female, improve confidence, make self motivation and confidence. And at the last we will learn about the barrier of organization. So, in organization so many things that will happen to reduce or to bad our communication, like one way flow of communication. Next one is only superior will talk more, and there is a lack of opportunity to employees, and so many things that will hamper our communication in organization. So, how we will overcome this? First one is orientation of employees. Next one is give chance to everyone to communicate properly, good knowledge about the job or anything, and good IPR, good confidence, good self motivation, good improvement in our language, and everything that is important in the organization that we will have, and use basic language, simple language, and we have a good discipline in communication also. So, this is all about our today's class. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you.